guys, welcome back to another video, another vlog. If y'all new here, my name is Dee. I like to call my subscribers family, so drop down below. Please let me know if you're the friend, the cousin, the niece, the auntie, whoever you are. You know we got a friend, a family member just like that. So drop that down below. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. So yeah, you guys, so today is Monday. It is August the 21st. Right now I'm up. I'm about to drop the kids off to school. And then I do have a little small meeting this morning before I go to my soul cycle. So today I'm off work. Y'all know that I rarely take off work. And we're going to do the spend the day with me. You're going to spend the day with me. We're going to go to this little meeting, soul cycle. Probably going to go to North Park to go to Zara. I probably want to try Cava if there's a Cava over there. So that's what it's going to consist of, y'all. And then, yeah, we just going to spend the whole day with me. Y'all, I've been using my cup. Y'all, I love this cup. If y'all got a Target, go get this cup. Because I literally, yesterday, I had like 4 bottles of water. And I was just carrying my cup around. So, yeah. And I do have my Lulu dupe jacket on. And y'all, I'm about to, I pinned my hair up because, baby, soul cycling this hair ain't working. So, we going to see how this do. So, hopefully, fingers crossed. But, yes, you guys, if y'all new, thank you so much for clicking on the video. I hope you guys go ahead and return. Drop a comment below. Say, hey, I'm new. Drop a star, a heart. Say, hey, I like this. Ooh, the color, that, whatever. It definitely helps me out. So, I will pick you guys up when I get in the car. Okay, y'all, so I made it to Dallas. I dropped the kids off. My son did not want to, he did not want me to eat breakfast with him. But they don't serve their breakfast till late, and then you have to eat with him in the classroom. So I was just like, dang. So, but by the time, like, I think he had his lunch early, it's not going to work out. But I'm going to get another day and eat lunch with him. He was like, or breakfast. He's like, no, he's good. He's like, no, I'm good. And I was like, no, I'm not good. I want to eat. So it's cool. But I'm over here. My friend, she's coming. She's asking me right now, what time are you gonna head out? Over here in Dallas, baby, they walking their dogs. Oh, child, that man. Okay, y'all, so let me walk down here to this Starbucks to see if my friend came with me. She coming to Soul Cycle. She might be all right with it. So we leaving Soul Cycle. She liked it, but her butt was, I felt sorry for the seat, because the seat, that seat ain't nothing to play with. I thought my butt was big, but her butt always been big. But she liked it. She said she gonna come back. We gonna come back on Wednesday. So y'all, you gotta be fit. Well, I ain't gonna say you gotta be fit, but you gotta like fitness.
You have to be mentally ready.
Yeah, you gotta like fitness. If you like fitness, you'll like it, because that woman, oh yeah, that woman, she had a baby 7 months ago. Her stomach's like a washboard. Okay, y'all, so my friend, she liked it. She's like, let's come back Wednesday. Y'all, her butt on that seat, it was like, her butt always been big, but it's like, oh Lord, that seat was swallowing. She was like, do they sanitize? I was like, yes, girl, they sanitize. They give you clean towels. And as y'all can see, that was my first time going to the bathroom, baby. The bathroom is very nice in there. They give you good, like, Q-tips, hair ties, body wash. Like, it's worth it. It's really worth it. And So just to let y'all know, if y'all want to come, download the app. The first class is $20, and then after that they're gonna cut you like a little deal on how many classes. It's far from me. Let me lock my door. It's far for us to come, but she was just like, oh, they need one in our area, because like we will be in there, like literally. I'm telling you, Soul Cycle will get you together. And but this instructor, y'all, she just had a baby 7 months ago. She had no body fat, and of course they're not gonna have body fat because they teach Soul Cycle. But she wasn't as crazy as the and when I say crazy, I don't mean like mentally crazy. I'm just saying like not as hard, because Kayla, she like really with it, and but her, she's more resistance, even though like you're, you know, pedaling, but with her it wasn't excruciating. And this is like my 4th class. So yeah, I'm about to go meet Hunter, because he's the guy that I've been telling you about. I'm gonna meet for some like video content and stuff. About to go meet him, and then I'm gonna try a Cava like I told y'all. So yeah, I'm so glad I'm doing like this spend the day with me, because other than that, y'all, I would definitely had, you know, just been at home, and I don't want to do that. So yeah. Okay y'all, so I'm at Italy with Hunter. He don't want he's right here. Well, he's about to come back, but we're trying to come up with some stuff that I can do better on. If he want me to show him, I'll show him, y'all. So I am in the car, y'all. I got me some Cava. Oh my god, this Cava, it's good. I taste a little bit of it. It's really, really good. I can see why it's a little hot, a little hype about it, but it was really good. But yeah, y'all, I was basically getting content with Hunter. Hunter, he's so cool. He's so cool. He was actually showing me like the tips and tricks, and that's what he does. Like, he does cinematic like vlog videos, and then like wedding stuff, and he's really good with his short form content. So I really, really like that. He does like his short form content, y'all, be like 7 seconds or less. And I told him, I said, who? He said the reason why you do stuff like that, because they're gonna click again to watch it. I was like, oh my god. So yeah, so it was very, very helpful with him, because he was able to like show me, because sometimes you could tell people stuff, but I'm one of those, you could tell me, but sometimes if I need to be shown, you know, I want to be shown that. So I basically have been spending all my day in Dallas, but I'm about to head back on my side of town, and from there, my daughter already out of school. See if she want to be picked up, or she want to hang around the school. That's right, hang around for free at the school, because guess what, after that it ain't gonna yeah. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all like the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll pick y'all back up later on. So yeah. Okay y'all, so I made it back home. Y'all, my little bun held up in Soul Cycle, so guess what, I'm gonna take it all the way this down, because that's what I'm gonna have to start doing now, y'all. But I'm so tired. I didn't buy nothing at the mall. Surprisingly, I think I was more focused on the content. So I'm about to take a little nap for these kids home, because I need a nap. But yeah, so far, probably later on, I'm gonna go get a pedicure. I'm just not gonna do it now, because I know I gotta pick them up and stuff. You guys, so I was at home for a little bit, and then I took a nap. Oh my god, y'all, that power nap was everything to me, which I needed, because I've been up since 6 o'clock this morning, and I was in Dallas. So I was like, I need to take a nap, and when I tell you that nap was so good, I had put the phone on charge and everything. So right now I'm about to go pick up the little one from daycare, and I finished my Cava food too because I'm not gonna eat nothing else for the day, at least for now. Well, yeah, y'all, always take time for yourself. Take time for yourself. I did post another short video. Yeah, those short form content is working for me, and I'm gonna have to keep doing that. And now is traffic. I ain't got time to deal with. But yeah, y'all, it's so hot in Texas. That's how hot it is. The ACU, they said it's not even working, baby. So I took a shower, took another little cat nap again, and yeah. So I'm about to get a pedicure because I made it just in time. I don't know why I do this all the time. Every time, not every time, but a few times, every time it's for me to get a pedicure, I always come when they close. And I don't like that because I feel like they be rushing. So let's go get a pedicure. Y'all, give me a root beer. Well, damn. I came to Sonic to get me a root beer because they root beers are really good. But I'm finna go home, y'all. I'm so tired. That 3-day soul cycle is getting me whooped. So I'm about to go home. Wash my face with my Ordinary. As y'all seen, I went to Target and got that Ordinary. You can get it from Target or you can get it from well, Target does have Ulta, so you can get it from there. But yeah, so y'all, that pretty much sums up my spend the day with me. I anticipated for it to be just like this, but I'm probably gonna do some more of that. I'm just putting this stuff up, y'all. My daughter, she finna come clean this shit up. Like, come on now. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the spend the day with me. Drop down below if you have, let me know if you're the friend, the cousin, the niece, the auntie, whoever you are. That's who I'm going to call you by. And y'all, make sure y'all drop like a comment, a star. You could put a heart, hey, anything. It definitely helps me out. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video, next vlog. Bye.